Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact McAfee UK Customer Service. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this demonstration I'm going to head on over to Google, and in the Google search box I'm going to type in McAfee UK Support, then click enter, and then you'll be brought to Google web results here. And what you need to click onto is contact us from McAfee.com. And there isn't a UK number on this page. So what you need to do is click onto the customer service. So visit our support website where you can find self-help options and get in touch with our support team. So go ahead and click onto that link there. That will redirect you to the customer service page. So just give that a few moments to load. All right, so we're on this page now. There's a call us button. So I'm in Australia. So what it's going to do is going to have the right region from the get-go. So that's my number if you want to call them from Australia, but you want to do it from UK. So if it says here not seeing the right phone number, click the button to view all countries and phone numbers. So go ahead and click on countries and phone numbers. This will give you a list of all the different countries and regions, different phone numbers. So what we need to do is find it here. So, or you can type in UK if you like. So what we want to do here is scroll down and find United Kingdom. So here it is here. This is the phone number to call McAfee UK Customer Support, and it's available 24/7 as well.